Hi, myself, Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology, Nagar, Bandar. Today's assignment 9. Importance of personal appearance, stating the tips of grooming for personal. Practical significance. The personal appearance is understanding significance for engineer of his professional growth or professional life. It creates a positive impression which help to gain the respect at workplace. Also provide a platform for an effective and smooth communication in the work as well as the social setting. It shows one's image, attitude, personality as a whole. This learning experience has been designed and communicate effectively and skillfully at workplace. Means if your personal appearance, your personal attitude, okay, your body language play important or vital role in your communication also. Means your body language speak more than words. If you focus on your body language, if you focus on your personality, so obviously it is also impact even in your way to communication, or also it is helpful to successful business meeting, okay, any kinds of debates, any kinds of discussion. Relevance program outcomes. Knowledge about or basic knowledge. Apply knowledge of basic mathematics, science, basic engineering and solve the problem related to application of computer and communication service in sorting, manipulating, translating data, often in context of business and other experience. Communication. Communication effectively in an oral or written form. Lifelong learning. Engage in depend and lifelong learning along with the technical changes in IT and allied industry. Communicate effectively by using non-verbal method of communication. Give presentation by using audio-visual aids. Practical learning outcomes. Identify the benefit of well-groomed personal appearance. Identify the practice good personal grooming by hygienic habits. Practice good manner of etiquettes. Practical learning outcome. Identify the benefit of well-groomed personal appearance. Identify the practice good personal grooming and hygienic habits. Practice the good manner and etiquettes. Okay. Practical skills. Use computer system including the language lab software. Understand the importance of personal grooming appearance in effective presentation. Relevant affective domains. Follow the safety practice. Demonstrate working as a leader, individual teamwork. Minimizing theoretical background. It is essential to know the aspect of grooming, dressing and variable informal situation with effective use of body language. One should possess the knowledge of correct use of gesture, posture, facial expression, eye contact. The experimental setup. Language lab with relevant software and open learning sources. Procedure. Log in your account, student console and assign folder. Read understanding instruction from the practical manual assignment document. Discuss understanding with your facilitator. Watch the video related to personal grooming and personal appearance. Refer online as well print resources in a context of grooming personal appearance. Make the detailed note on importance of deep grooming a personal appearance. Submit the context of facilitate for view and finalize submit assignment. Follow precaution, follow the safety ethics while in a working performing your practical lab. Handle headphone carefully. Do not insert pen drive or any other material in a computer. Assignment number 9. Importance of personal appearance. Setting tips for grooming. So students, already we know the procedure and importance or significance of the assignment. So here we will see how importance of personal appearance in our professional as well as in a business life or as an engineer when you are facing the external world or market or facing interviews anywhere. This personal appearance is very important to you. Personal appearance is extremely important for any professions. It indicates professional background, attitude, financial status and personality trait of the person before he start the conversation or communication. It is said the first impression is the last impression. It is absolutely true when it comes to the professional world, because the audience start building an image of speaker in their mind of the his appearance or due to his appearance. You need to understand the importance of appearance for industrial business when attend a job interview or business meeting. Means when we face the external world for business meeting, job interviews, discussion, workshop, seminar, in it we need to communicate, we need to sharing the information one to another. Mean at that time, if your personality is super, your personality is great, your way of communication, your behavior, your manners, etiquettes is proper, so it create extra or great impact on the mind of receiver. The next one will judge you. Next one will judge you as per your personal appearance, as per your personality, either the article which you wears, your hairstyle, your clothes, shoes, etc. Okay, your way of sitting, way of communicating, manner of discussion, etc. Your gesture, etc. All these things is playing a very important role in your communication or effective communication. So one might say that appearance does not matter in work. It is only the capability of the knowledge or one puts in it. Okay. In this case, one need to reevaluate the scenario all over again. It is equally important to dress well. Means in communication or in our professional life, we should keep properly well dressed, hairstyle, shoes, belt, watch, etc. and appropriate in the professional world. It only adds the confidence to the individual but impress and attract other people. It not only add the confidence, it will not create or build up your confidence in the mind of other, but also it impress and attract the peoples. Means if your personality is proper, you create great impact on other people. So how to improve our personality? How to present ourselves with the before the group of people? Okay, how we make ourselves extraordinary person or uncommon person rather than the common person. Here are some tips. What are the tips? Okay, one should follow some tips in a content with professional appearance, or sorry, personal appearance. Means personal appearance should be proper, well dress code, well designing, etc. Fit with the body, etc. Clothes should be neat and clean. Those clothes we wear, those attire we wear, it should be clean. It should be proper and neat and suitable to the function. For example, suppose we visit a party, so obviously in that party we wear the party wear dress. Now dressing sense is regarding the party wear. Okay. On the other hand, suppose we are go to any business meeting, obviously that time we are using the formal attire, either three-piece, either coat, tie, etc. Means as per the event, we are wearing the attire and presenting ourselves because it creates great impact. Wear the cloth with a proper fitting in which you feel comfortable, in which pattern, in which cloth you feel comfortable, so wear that cloth in a proper fitting. Hair should be properly cut and maintained. Your proper hairstyle, combing your hairs, Okay, combing your hair properly, hairstyles should be proper, etc. It also important in communication. Jewelry, makeup, accessories should be decent. Those are the jewelry are you wearing, it should be decent and proper as per the situation. Then, but these are the tips of developing your personality. But what are the grooming? Okay, what are the grooming? Grooming means nothing but it's a preparation, it's a training. Okay, you have to prepare yourself for before any kinds of meeting, before any kinds of discussion. I mean, how you have to presenting yourself in that particular meeting. So what are the grooming? Okay, grooming by the preparation or training. Now see how you have to groom with yourself. Grooming is the way you present yourself in a social and professional life. The presentation that makes the personal appearance neat, clean and attractive. Also, for keeping such habit or developing such habit in ourselves, we have how we have to groom ourselves. It has also some tips. What are the tips for grooming? What are the tips for preparation? What are the tips for training? So we will see. Here is one of the most noticeable thing that help people to look judge when you see for first time. I mean your hairstyle should be proper. Proper combing your hairs. Okay. Next one, first of all, judge you as per your hairstyle, as per your hair. If it should be proper, okay, he or she obviously judging you or keep your impact in his mind. If your hair is not properly combed, your hair is not properly cut, okay, it presenting your image in the mind of audience as a ridiculous person. Not ridiculous means as a not proper person, not sophisticated person. Okay, means indicate just a mannerless person. Means if you have properly hair comb, hairstyle is proper, so it creates the positive impact in the mind of audience. One must be take care of hair regularly. Means as I told you, your hair cutting is proper, combing hair should be proper. Proper haircut is needed to maintain same. Haircut करना पड़ेगा proper. So you will have to cut your hair properly. Grooming needs attention to the smallest detail like fingers, cut your nail, paint your nail, cosmetics, powder, etc. For make yourself presentable, you have to doing such a thing. Okay, by properly cutting the nails, you keep finger proper, nail paints, etc. A good book has a great positive effect. It makes us feel energetic and more confident. Clean fingernails are important in a professional life as well as the workplace too in a formal situation. Grooming and fresh skin create the positive impact on the receiver. So students, this is the assignment number 9, importance of personality development and grooming, stating the tips for grooming. So you have to make yourself presentable by using the various kinds of tricks and make yourself as a perfect and proper person. Thank you very much.